everyone, I'm going to be cooking up one of my favourite dishes, satay chicken. So I got some chestnut mushrooms, they were 89p. I got some chicken breast fillets, they were £2.29. Onions were 99p. Coconut milk was 79p, and the smooth peanut butter was £1.9, coming to £6.5p, and my ingredients are from Lidl. So first off, I have cut up my chicken and I'm going to add in some curry powder. Any curry powder that you like, that is going in there, and that's going to just sit off for about 10 minutes while we make the other. So we're going to leave that there like that. Now, for the sauce, we are making up the satay sauce. So this is 100 mils of water. Add half the coconut milk. Now I've got the full fat one. You can use light if you like. I've got 3 spoonfuls of peanut butter, and I always like to use the smooth one. I find it easier to melt. Let's just get this in with my finger. No messing around here. 3 big blobs of them. 1 spoon of sugar. 1 spoon of soy. That's about a spoon. And then a dash of cumin I add in. You don't have to. A dash of turmeric. And some of the curry. So the curry that you already put on the chicken, just a little dash of that. And I'm going to mix this all together, and that's going to be our sauce. And it should look something like this. Now we're going to get the onions and the mushrooms into a hot oiled pan. You can use any veg that you like as well. A nice red pepper would be nice in there. Get the garlic in, and we're going to let these cook off. I just remembered I forgot to get some rice, but I've got some in my cupboard. I've actually got this satay rice. It's actually from Aldi, so I'm going to be making some of this. And guys, why not press the follow button for more Savvy Meal ideas? They've been cooking off now for 5 minutes, so we're going to add the chicken. Get all the chicken in, and at this stage I'm going to add some salt and also some pepper. And thank you guys for liking, following and sharing all my posts. The final part after the chicken was browned off was to add the satay sauce. Bring it to a boil, turn it onto low and let that simmer for 20 minutes. And that is ready to serve up. Oh, the smells off that. A nice little fake away here in my beautiful little dishes. I like to keep the veg quite big as well when you're making satay. Would have been nice with some peas as well in here, wouldn't it? Absolutely massive portion sizes as well, guys. There's only one thing to do, and that is to give it a try. £6.5p from Lidl. Absolutely love this meal. Guys, give it a go.